know your name number, ma'am?
Yes, it's room 255.
Let me just check it for a while.
Sure.
Okay, ma'am. Your name is Jezebel Aranda. Your room number is 255 located at 8th floor.
Yes, that's right.
Okay, ma'am. Did you see any of the service today?
No.
Okay, ma'am. Here's your bill for 3 days and 2 nights, including the services you used for the past few days. Can I have the key card?
Yeah, sure. Let me check my bills, please.
Sure, ma'am. Here, take your time.
Alright, here they are.
Okay, okay. Please sign your name here and here your receipt and credit card. You like to luggage by the bellboy?
No thanks.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you for your stay in Grand Hood Hotel. I hope you see you again.
Thank you.